Hello everyone, it's Forrest. We are going to be, well actually I have a surprise package here today, so I'm going to open it up and we're going to install it on the Goldwing today. And here it is. So, I haven't opened it yet. Sticker. And what this is a saddlebag organizer. Well, because these saddlebags are a mess. So I got these to organize things, especially when I go on day trips, and things are a little more organized inside the saddlebag. So as you can see, things are kind of thrown in there because there's no real organization. So we're going to put these things on here. Alright, grab them out of the bag. What they look like. And these are the backing tape right here. And there's a left and then the right side. So I guess that's up to your discretion. Right or left, or it fits a certain way. Let's see. Okay, so right in there, there's that little bar right there. Okay. Just test fit it. Next, you need some alcohol and a rag. I'm going to wipe this down, soaking the rag with alcohol, and just wipe it down. Make sure you get the stickers to stick, or they will be annoying you and constantly popping up. So nice and clean. And just peel the backing off. So these are Velcro. Yeah, this is kind of difficult with one hand and a camera in your hand. kind of make sure you have it set up properly, or that. There we go. Kind of run your hands around there, make sure it stays down. And there you go. That's one side. Okay. Now we'll just move on to the other side. Pardon the bike, it's like really dirty. I cleaned it yesterday, but the pollen is just horrendous around here. Springtime. Gotta love it. Now, just so you realize, this right side has all your placard information on your tires and things like that, so you will be covering that up. So you got your tire pressure there and other crap, so covering that up, just so you'll know. Alright, soak the rack again. Down. These things are about, I found these on, they're called Hopnel organizers, and they're made by BigBikeParts. See right here. And quite a few places carry it. Amazon carries it. Wing Stuff carries it. I got these from Sling Mods. Sling Mods was $140, and they had free shipping. Wing Stuff is $9 more, and I think Amazon was about $140 as well. So, but I think the shipping times were a lot longer, and I got these within just a few days. Wing Stuff was saying something like 5 to 7 days or 10 days or something like that. So, all right, let's take the backing off of that. Come on, cooperate. All right. This is probably much easier without a camera in your hand. Really? Ugh. sticking. Opposite side of the back. Figures, right? Alright. Alright, we're going to make sure this sits in there properly. That. It just pretty much falls in there. You shouldn't have too many problems. So you can put sunglasses in here. Little things that you can't put in here without floating around when you're driving. Alright, make sure you press it down and make sure it sticks. There you go. Fits pretty nice. So now I can organize all my crap, but right now everything I have in here is like gloves, chin strap, and extra shield. It's basically just stuff that I need on the road. And I bought, mentioned in my other videos, I have a saddlebag carpet or liner, whatever you want to call it. So I got to reorganize this thing. My day-to-day gloves are in here. Now, since summer is coming, so a lot of this stuff is going to go bye-bye. So a lot of the winter stuff that I have in here, since I live on the Gulf Coast, we don't get, you know, solid winter. Sometimes, some days we'll get up to 80 degrees, and next day it'll be 20 degrees. So I usually keep my winter stuff in the bike just in case. Now I've traveled Del Rio once, and it was 95 degrees in the day, and this was on my old Goldwing, and I stayed overnight in Del Rio, and the next morning it was 32 degrees, and there was a couple there that were on a VMAX, and I think they traveled far too, but they didn't have any winter clothes on them. They had short sleeves, and they had to wait it out. I kept a jacket in my bike, and I was able to get home in time for the football game. So it was an interesting day. Well, that's it. Thank you all for watching, and subscribe or like, whatever you want to do. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.